Okay.
JohnOutdoorVideos, like and subscribe.
You okay, honey? Oh, you get these. Big girl.
What's that among pigeons? That's a 3.5 star quality over there, John.
3.5 star? Yeah.
That's the one I did.
I'd be down for that.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Put your hands around them, right?
Bottom half to way through the upper half for technical moves to the top.
Sounds good to me. Let me get the 2 things I want to get done. I'll probably be warmed up for that.
It's red. Yep. Yeah, your finger. Oh, honey. Is it bleeding or no? Nope. Okay. You're doing great, Mom. Hey. Yeah. You're almost at the top. Yeah. Yeah, you're so close. John's coming up to say hi. You can show him your vision.
Redlining on the Are you looking down here yet?
What are we grabbing? I can't look right now. All right, give me a second.
That seems like very intense.
Yeah, well, there's like algorithms and things you have to follow. It's always
Is your finger okay? I think you're gonna be just fine, man. Nice job climbing. How do you feel?
And remember, it's not a race.
It's not a race, that's right.
You're about exactly as high as I am.
Yep.
Yeah, that needs to be good, you know? You're almost higher than I am, John.
Yep.
But I'm
That's
a lot
true.
higher than you. Don't pull the rope up. You're higher than me, John. You're gonna get to the top part.
That might happen, yep.
They try it in front of you.
It doesn't matter who gets there first, though.
What matters is who has the most fun. You having the most fun? You're winning then.
Is anyone else doing this?